Hi everyone, it's Nadia, a watercolor artist from Kyiv, Ukraine, and today we are going to create Watercolor Valentine's Day greeting cards. To create these greeting cards, I've used square cards templates, just because I had them. And what is special about these greeting card templates? They have really beautiful envelopes. Gorgeous. To create these greeting cards designs, I've used hot-pressed watercolor paper by Arch. I've also used gold acrylic ink by Golden. The most difficult for me was to write the titles. But if you can write accurately, it will not be a problem for you. And also it was a challenge for me to cut the illustrations so that they could fit the greeting card template. And I asked my husband to do it. You can do the same. This video is absolutely children-friendly. So if you have kids, you can easily create these greeting cards together with them. I do hope that you will enjoy this video and it will inspire you to create these or similar designs. I have already stretched a masking tape according to the size of my greeting cards. I also used a masking tape in the design with the stripes. I thought that the stripes would look more accurately if I used a masking tape. But then I tried to paint stripes without a masking tape, and it turned out to be very good as well. Now I am making color mixtures for another stripes, and they will be in lighter shades of pink. I am making a red color mixture for our floral heart design, and I am using different shades of red to make the color really bright. You don't really need a pencil sketch for this illustration. I think it's absolutely okay to paint really loose flowers and stems for this design. I'm also adding some dots just to fill the blank space. The heart illustration is almost ready, and next I'm going to outline my words with black ink. You can use black watercolor to paint these words, but I prefer to use black ink because it's not as transparent as black watercolor, and once it's dry, it looks more shiny to me. And certainly you can easily use a black gel ink pen for this. Okay, this card is ready, and it was the easiest one out of all 4 designs. Now I'm preparing a color mixture to paint hot cookies. I'm almost erasing the pencil drawing, so it couldn't be seen once the illustration is done. I'm using a kneaded eraser for this, not to ruin the paper. Don't worry if the cookies don't look identical. They're supposed to be handmade, and that's why they can't be perfect. As you can see, I'm using the color mixtures we have done at the very beginning. By doing this, I am making all the designs look cohesive. You can change the words, or you could use the names of the people whom you will present these cards. It's up to you. Please feel free and creative to change anything you don't like, or you have a better option for this. You can see that I didn't use a masking tape to draw the last two stripes. I didn't want the masking tape to ruin the paper. Now we are starting to work on our fourth design, and we will start from painting the background. First I wet the paper with water and then I add watercolor. I'm also using a kneaded eraser here to slightly erase the pencil drawing. While I am waiting when the background and the envelope become dry, I can finish the first design and add golden letters to it. The envelope is dry and I'm adding a very loose floral bouquet to it.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Okay, now 4 designs are ready. I have to cut the paper and glue the illustrations to our greeting card templates. See you in the next video. Bye bye!
Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel